Let us complete the chapter Social Problems of India and Challenges. Insurgency in Northeast. Since independence, the insurgency in Eastern India has been a perennial problem for India. Factors for insurgency are many tribal communities, hilly and forest landscape, mutual cooperation among militant groups, international boundary at few places, and indulgence of foreign agencies. You can see in the table the name of the state and the rebellion organization. These rebellion organizations have been struggling for the demand of separate state to secure their own political, economic interest on the questions of illegal immigration. So there is effect on economic, social, administrative and political system, and all these are damaged. Terrorism in Kashmir. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Two separate nations, India and Pakistan, were formed. Pakistan had captured some part of Kashmir after independence. Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. Still, Pakistan tries to capture it every now and then. India has defeated Pakistan in every war. Terrorism has increased in Kashmir after 1988. The terrorists terrorize people by kidnapping, murders, bomb explosion, etc. to fulfill their motive. So families of many Kashmiri Pandits had to migrate. Thousands of such families are living as refugees outside Kashmir. Terrorism in Kashmir is supported from across the border. The intention of the terrorist is to create fear and instability in India. India is determined to face them firmly. India opposes terrorism not only in India but also anywhere, in any form and at any time. In order to end terrorism, soldiers of India have accepted martyrdom. Let's see to the points related to social effects of terrorism. Terrorism leads to disintegration of the nation. Terrorism creates feeling of fear and suspicion among the people because of the activities like fear, robbery, violence, etc. Its effect is felt in all age groups. Education suffers adversely in terrorism affected area. Mutual faith and feelings of brotherhood diminishes. Many times it leads to communal conflict and social arrangements are shred into fragments. Let us learn the economic impact of terrorism. Favorable atmosphere for development of business and industry is not created. So the business and trade relations are adversely affected. That means badly affected. So people migrate to other places. Some terrorist organization extort money from rich industrialists, employees, businessmen. That means terrorists ask money from these people. Terrorists are engaged in antisocial activities like drug trafficking and black money. So social economic problems are created in the country. Terrorists destroy railway, radio stations, roads, bridges, other government offices, etc. Crores of rupees have to be spent to re-establish them. Government has to spend crores of rupees for safety and protection. So the following suffer a lot. State and national transportation, state and national tourism. Thus, terrorism is socially as well as economically harmful. Thus, it's necessary to solve this problem. I hope it will be easy for you to study as the entire chapter is put up in points.